Welcome guys, we are going to be learning how to terminate a low voltage cable. In this case, we are going to be using Cat5e. The connectors that we are going to be using is the RJ45. This is the clamp that we use as a guide. Okay, when this guide, this is facing down, the orange pair is at the right. Which is the color code that we are going to be using? T568B, and this is the color code, white orange. One more time, when this is face down, at the right, this is face down, this clamp. At the right, we have the orange pair. So we have orange, white, orange, green, white, green, blue, blue, white, brown, white, brown, and brown. So we are going to be using these crimping and stripping tools. Okay, so this section has the strip part, this. Okay, so we are going to be removing 1 inch, one of the end, using the stripping section. And then we are going to untwist and unfold each pair. Okay, so we are going to untwist and unfold a twisted each pair. Starting at the right with the orange pair, then the green pair, then the blue one, then the brown. So we are going to have we got this. So we have orange, white, then orange, solid green, then blue. So we have orange, white, orange, orange, solid green, green, white, solid blue, blue, white, solid green, brown, white, and brown. So we have white, orange, white, solid orange. We have a green, white, solid blue, blue, white, solid green, brown, white, and brown. Let me make a close-up so you can see the color code. Orange, white, orange. Green, white, solid blue. White, blue, solid green, white, brown, and brown. And I will make an even cut before I put the connector. So one more time, this clamp is the guide. When this is facing down, the orange pair is at the right. You see, when this clamp is face down, the orange pair is at the right here. Okay. The other guidance that you should be following is this. There is another clamp that should be completely holding the plastic sheet on the cable. And it has, the crimping part has for two kind of connector. This is unshielded twisted pair, A pairs, okay, Cat 5E, Cat 6, and this is for 6 pair, okay. The connector here, RJ45, RJ11, so. And this is the complete segment terminator at what end. We had to completely terminate the segment at both ends. Then we test it, okay? When we test it with this tester, it should be green light, which means that it's not cross wire, it's not open, it's not short circuit. The pairs are in sequence and properly connected, properly terminated. None of them are making contact with the other wires. Also, none of them is broken, okay? This is tested for Cat 5E and for the phone cable, okay? So, this cable is an unshielded twisted pair. It's used to transport video, audio, and text in digital format at very low voltage, 5 volts. Okay, maximum distance between end and end, 100 meters, 327 feet. After that, if I want to extend the length of the segment, I need to use a repeater. A repeater is a connectivity device that boots up the carrier. The speed of the carrier is 100 megahertz, and the transfer rate, the amount of data, is 100 million of bits per second, or megabit per second. Keeping in mind, 8 bits made a byte or a letter on the keyboard. A bit is 5 volts or ground. Okay, in group of 8 are used to represent any key on the keyboard, known as a byte. Okay, so 8 bit. Why megabits? Because they are transported in series, 1 bit at a time, one after another, in group of 8. And that is what I have for today, guys. Thank you.